Hey guys, Unicorn36 here, back for another Roblox video, actually my second. And today we'll be playing the same thing I played, I think it was last night. But yes, people who watched it, I think a couple people, I don't know. But I got good reviews on that video, so I'm back again to play some more. So I am playing with a familiar face on the channel. You can see up here. He won't have any commentary in this video, but he'll still be here. So yeah, let's just start off, I guess. Yeah, I think I just killed Finn. Or yeah, I just killed him. Or Pro Skills, as most of you know him. Actually, most of you know him as Finn. Well, on the internet, Pro Skills. Real life Finn. Oh my gosh, my team is losing badly to him. Okay, tell me if it's good, but I think we should have the pack, the squad. We don't really have a squad yet. We should make a squad, and then we all should just like play this, just like fighting against each other, you know, just like teams murdering. Oh, geez, someone shot me. Almost, at least. But since the last video, I've been practicing for hours and hours on end. I am now addicted to this game, and I'm so good at it. Revolvers dead body. What? How do you even shoot me from that far away? Like, come on. But like, still, let's just keep going. Yeah, it's like home. So if any of you do want to friend me, you can it's my username right here. Unicorn36YT. So yeah, you can friend me on Roblox anytime. I will like probably accept if you're one of my fans. But yeah. Tell me what I should do in the next video. How do you roll sideways? Like, how? I seriously don't know. How do you roll sideways? And snipe him. Oh, it's Finn. I'm coming after you, buddy. How? I kind of like his gun. I like mine more. Ha! Got wrecked. We have no chance of winning. Yeah, see? Oh. The. How do you roll sideways? Tell me in the comments if no one answers me. How? E and Q. Oh! Wow. Thanks. They're so useful. Jeez. I was like, how do they do that? But now I know. Dang, these people are nice. Tell me if you guys want to see more Roblox videos. No, just more videos. I love uploading. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Can I do this? Oh, fine. Fine. Move. Oh, the blur. The blur. 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 Please don't run the safety. Yes! Finally! Let me just test this out because I want to see if this is actually true. Yes! Oh yeah, this feels so cool. Flip, wait. Roll. What? What? You guys saw that. I totally rolled and dodged that, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I did. Just quickly roll, shoot, flip. Oh yeah, feels good to be. Feels good to me. Feels good. Oh, roll, snipe. No. Feels good to be me. Cause I'm cool. Oh. I seriously don't know how well this is, and because in the last video I had some face cam problems where it would just randomly freeze sometimes. So yeah, tell me if it's gone because I want to make sure you guys get the best experience. Where is everyone? Come on. Oh, watch out behind you! Oh! The pro assassin skills. Sorry if I kind of like, not freeze up, but like, don't commentate a bit. Just trying to focus. It's scary to be a sheriff in the Wild West. Can I actually just go like this? Woo! 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 Because it's fun. Whoa! Hi-ya! Yes! I think I killed him. Oh! Yes! I should be an Assassin's Creed. Those sneaking up on skills. Oh, but I shot you. But I shot you. Ha! Ha! Oh, it's actually really close. It's actually like an even matched right today. Oh, you're mine. You're mine. You're mine. Ah, for the team! No! Tied up. Oh, hey, Finn. I love rolling in this game. It reminds me a lot of Ocarina of Time. Except you couldn't really roll sideways in that game. But, like, still, it's tell me if it's kind of like a lot of Zelda games, but mostly Ocarina of Time. Because you could, like, roll, really cool, and, like, rolling, and yeah, rolling, and Link, and swords, and rolling, and yeah. It was pretty cool. This music. Are there any secrets? Yeah. I almost got up there. I must find out if there are secrets. Oh, how do you do that? How did you do that? I'm just gonna... I'll just jump on. Oh, come on, dude. I'm just gonna run out. I'm not. Run. Ooh, I like Canyon. I don't know if we played this map in the last episode. I think we played every map. I think we played every map. Oh, that was weird. I was like, Get down. Roll. Where is everyone? Oh yeah, they're on the other side. Or not. Oh! I shot him. Yeah. That's how it's done. Yeah, let's keep going. Ooh! Yeah, just hide in here. Whoop. Whoop-ha. Whoop-ha. Oh, jeez. Just shot him. Ka-ching-a-ching, I shot him. You died. Back away! Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I forgot they had the tips right here. Yes, 4 player points. Oh wait, was that a team member? Yeah, it's a team member. Sorry, guys. Oh. Gotta be a parkour master. What? Yeah, you can't parkour, Finn. You should have known that. Boom! 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 Yes! A boom! Ninja master! No need for parkour when you're a ninja? Mind blown. Well, I'll tell you something. I'm a ninja! Whoa! The same person! Okay, then. Oh my gosh. Why me? Kill someone else for a change. Yeah. Oh, you wanna mess with me, Finn? You wanna mess with me? You don't mess with me. Especially when I'm recording. The water kills you, forgot. Nah. Hey guys, I'm coming. Oh, Finn! Just back away. It's easier. Yeah, let's go first person for a bit. Even though it's really bad in this game. In some games, it's actually kind of good. Oh gosh, look at this. Yay, we win! GG. Nub. Nub. Okay, sadly, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. So, see you next time. Bye.